naririnig yung for a moment, so I can stay.
Yeah, it's mainit. Ang init.
Hi guys.
Pala pinadala ko hindi dito Manila. Right now,
Uy, may ano? You are such a cutie.
Pinatid mo yan lahat sa akin.
Ay, alo.
to the ground. Smile is what it says. I don't wanna see you
Singit.
cry.
Wag here.
Alam.
Goody go.
She said I
Wait lang ka na, no? Or yung dalawa. Anim.
cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not
Go, Lorraine! Dalawa.
to be honest. I
Kailangan na sana, hindi lahat.
Kailangan
maganda. Hot guy.
Mga crush nila.
Hi, Rain! Here is Kuromi. Yeah. The Kuromi of the larger. It's Kuromi. Kuromi and Star. Yeah. Nabibidyoan niyo tayo, babe.
You know you need
Baka lahat na lang. Lorraine! Look! Bakit malapit na?
just let me hold you in these arms.
Let's go, guys!
I'm lucky to be
We'll be eating na.
can see it in my face.
We're here at
Too many times
Bazaar ba to?
I let myself get down in the floor.
Me! Guys, there's a lot to buy. See, let's see what to buy.
I like you.
We're here at, ano to, Bazaar? CCP Bazaar. Let's see.
65 may rice. That's 4.
Yeah.
Oh, yung DG ko mo ba, no?
So she said
Nakain na kami.
I didn't have to cry. Said I didn't need to get down or feel empty
It's
inside.
okay.
They told me that she'll love me. She's alive.
See that? So cool.
And well, maybe she's
It's
right.
2025, February 1, and it's Art Month.
Honestly, don't even know why.
We're here at CCP for Pasinayang Doctor. Is it kita? No, I don't know. Wow! Gibidjui! Gibidjui kita! Ooh, the fit is on fire! Ito ka! Kadir! Uy! Uy! Kayo pala yan! Parang nga. Ito yung kanina. Look! What the fuck, bro? Fucking God! Oh no! Uy! Anong gagawin ko?
Baka malaglag. Ano yan? Dahon.
Wala ba kayong panyo? Fuck! Ano yan? Ipilas mo. Baka tumapon na. Ipilas mo.
I'm so sorry. That's my fault. Ooh, yummy.
Sarap na, bro.
Ano ito tama?
Tara. Ang init. Yak! Pahawak na. Ew! I'm good. Oh! Ate Riley. Hi, ate! Hello po.
Gadam.
Na, sabihin niya babies, no?
Babies. Pakilala ba kayo sa akin? Kilala.
Waiting, find it.
Uy, huwag ka kayong ano.
Wait lang, be. Diyos ko po.
Yeah. Hindi ko sinatadya pa.
Nakain na kaya to?
Yeah. Alam mo ba siya?
Pacific.
bahagi ng ating
Para sa kuya ko yan.
Hindi ako nakatingin ng
Tumilip ka na isa. Kainip. Nagpapahawa effect ka pa dyan.
Sino yung nanay sa isip?
Langit. Dahil. Paano? Nag-pressure yan.
Yung ano natin talaga, yung gumawa ng mundong ni Vincent Van Gogh.
Ay, di yan na. Wow, so pretty guys. Look! Sa seaside na kami. Wow, 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 wow.
Tara, gusto niya sa ayun na, magpe-perform sila.
Let's go, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look, mga nakabahagi.
Ano yun?
Wait for you. Ah! Anak na kasi nga. Oh!
Pumutok ang himagdikan.
Saan?
Marias.
Oh!
Pagmamahal.
Mali!